My dear students, hope you're well right now. You know, this is an English second paper class. Today, we'll talk about transformation of sentence, affirmative to negative. Here, we will know two rules of negative sentence from assertive. In rule first, here you can see some special words that must need to change if you want to make into negative sentence. If you find must, had to, both and, etc. like that words, you should follow this rule. You must need to change this word. Accordingly, here we see an example. We must work hard in our life. How can we change this sentence for negative? Students, here we see a clue, must. If we see the word must, we change it cannot but instead of must, or cannot help plus verb present form plus ing instead of must. I mean, we can change this sentence this way: we cannot but work hard in our life, or we cannot help working hard in our life. My dear students, here I give you a structure to change this sentence for negative. At first you can write subject, then change word, then the rest of the parts of the sentence. After, full stop. Students, we will know about rule 2. Here we see some examples. I mean, this rules is containing by only. If you find a sentence starting with only, you can change it into none but. You can write down none but first instead of only. Then the rest of the part need not change. I mean, only Allah is powerful. The answer is none but Allah is powerful. Example 2. I have only a nice pen. If you find only in a sentence, even it also means something. Or number, you should follow the rules also. Here you can see number. In the sentence we see number A. If we find any number in a sentence, we can change only not more than or not less than instead of only. I mean, I have only a nice pen. The answer is I have not more than a nice pen, or I have not less than a nice pen. Final example, only water is life. If you find only and also something, you can change only into nothing but, because only means something, so we should not write down none but, not more than, not less than. Students, try to understand. Only means here some things, so we can write down only. Water is life. I mean, nothing but water is life. Dear students, a homework for you, practice on self by using the two rules at home. I hope you can understand and write the correct answer very easily. Thank you.